Today, I'm going to show you how to use Dragon to create your SAS program to do your homework using only your voice. Now first you have to have clicked on Dragon, which is right here. So it started. You have it on, as you can see by the toolbar up here, but it's not doing anything because I don't have anything open that can use voice input. So I'm going to click on SAS. Data. Example, semicolon. New line. Input. Pretest. Post. Wait. Semicolon. New line. Cards. Semicolon. New line. Numeral 0. Numeral 0. 125. New line. Numeral 0. Numeral 0. Delete that. Numeral 1. Numeral 5. New line. Numeral 1. Numeral 0. 25. New line. Numeral 1. Numeral 1. 16. New line. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Numeral 1. Numeral 1. Numeral 16. New line. Semicolon. New line. Proc freak. Data. Equal sign. Example. Semicolon. New line. Tables. Pretest. Asterisk. Post. Slash. Agree. Semicolon. Wait. Delete that. New line. Wait. Wait. Semicolon. New line. Run. Semicolon. Click transfer. And there you have it. There's your data, there's your results. The only place where I actually had to use my hands was to click to open SAS and to click run. So I want to give you a few tips before I go here. So first of all, here's why I'm doing this. Here's my Darth Vader hand. I had surgery on it about a week ago, and I have arthritis really badly. And using now one hand to do what caused me all the problem doing two is not very bright. So that's why I'm using Dragon. We'll probably continue to use it for the near future for much, much more. So I'm thinking, what about students? If they need to use this, is it going to be feasible for their homework? And the answer is yes, clearly. A couple of things you might want to be aware of. First of all, at the beginning, it wasn't going to record any speech unless I click in something that can take speech input. So First point for you, make sure if it's not doing anything, you click inside that SAS editor. Second point, a lot of things like proc freak, it would originally spell P-R-O-C-K, really simple thing. I had it learn from a document. You don't need to worry about that if you use Dragon for a while. It will nag you and say, do you want to learn from your email? Well, that didn't work for me because I had 1,000 email messages, but I had a couple of technical documents, paper I'd written for SAS Global Forum, another one for WUS, and I had it read those, and it learned a couple hundred words from that, including the word proc. So before you get started, a wise thing to do might be one of those times that Dragon nags you, do you want it to learn from documents? Pick something, your syllabus, if you're a statistics major, whatever article that might be related to that, and have it learn from that. Next thing you probably noticed that I say delete that a few times. If you make a mistake, it's really simple. Just say delete that, and it will delete it. Numeral, did you notice that when I was entering the data? Numbers less than, it seems to be 20 or so, it automatically enters as the number 7 or the number 1 unless you say numeral. So there's that. Go to a new line, you say new line, that's pretty obvious. Equals sign. If you just say equals, it's going to put the word equals. But that's about it. And you can open it up out of the box. Biggest tip is, like I said, have it learn from a technical document that has a lot of words like proc and freak in it, and you're good to go.